Hello friends and welcome to this new video. Today I am sending you my recipe for pasta with garlic and olive oil. It's very easy, you will see. We will immediately find ourselves in front of the pan. We start by pouring olive oil into the pan and heating in just a little. For this step, we must maintain a very low heat, because our garlic hair must not color but remain white. Here we heat the garlic for a few seconds. Then add a teaspoon of sweet pepper. Then the butter that we will always mix with an extremely low heat. The pasta will be cooked al dente, because we will finish cooking it in the pan with a little cooking water that we take out with a coffee cup. Just a little is enough. Then pour the pasta without draining it too much. A little water here is good to finish cooking. Mix a little. And add the cup of cooking water you saved. Mix. See to there is still water, and while we heat over medium heat until the water has all evaporated. Then we stop the fire completely and add a good amount of chopped parsley. It's ready, just serve. Add a little olive oil before. And some parmesan. Enjoy your food. Here are my friends for this garlic pasta recipe. See you very soon for a next culinary adventure. Au revoir mes amis, à très bientôt.